He's lost it, folks. Oh, he's seriously lost it.
No, even I would agree that the industry is better than Los Barricos, okay? This is ridiculous. This is obviously
it's a rule too. Hey, it's a rule. Rules are rules.
This is how can Black Diamond officials let this happen? This is absolutely ridiculous. This is 4-on-2. Like this
is one of the best things that I have seen happen to Black Diamond wrestling. All right, referee, get control of this matchup now.
All right, the referee in control here. Fantastic one. Got the leg up on the industry there.
Ronnie, take it easy now.
Ronnie Stark's obviously not happy about that. I think the Fantastic Ones absolutely might have a shot here.
Anderson needs to take control of this.
Absolutely. Is the industry about to get counted out here?
The industry is just taking their time. This is what they need to do.
Marcus Mann.
Marcus Mann needs to be escorted out of the building for doing tactics like that, knowing that Ronnie Stark had a mild concussion.
Going to be Dozer and Destin Vaine starting for the industry. Hopefully finishing as well so that the Fantastic Ones actually have a fair shot. Pollock quickly taking control of Destin Vaine. Destin Vaine, as much as I hate to say this, has impressed me every time I see him in the ring.
He what?
He's impressed me every time I've seen him in the ring.
Wait a minute. Say that one more time. I let you embarrass listening to this kind of stuff. Say that one more time, Oz.
Destin Vaine has impressed me more and more every time I see him in the ring.
Yes.
But right now, Jack Pollock is in control. The Fantastic Ones earned this shot last month by defeating ProFlex. So they have definitely earned the right for this tag team title shot here tonight.
I'm not going to argue with you on the fact that they've earned the shot. But are they going to win? I don't think so.
I think they have a good shot at winning. I really do. contest.
And again, this matchup is for the Tag Team Championship.
He's just toying with Destin Vaine in the industry here. Destin.
Oh my God, look at the mirror.
His mirror is broken. Poor Destin Vaine.
Oh, now why is he playing with him like that? Give him back his mirror. The referee needs to take control of this. That's a disqualification right there.
They're just going to Wedgie Town there.
I'd like to add one thing. This is why we can't have nice things.
Thank you to our announcer Josh for that one.
Josh Vaine is upset.
Well, I mean that's probably the most foreplay that Destin Vaine's had in quite a while.
How would you know that?
Just an educated guess.
An educated guess, okay. And where did you go to school at?
Same place you went to school, sir.
Hey, I don't claim that place.
Well, it looks like Jack Pollock's ready for a fight. All right, Destin Vaine coming back in. Here comes the big man Dozer. Dozer last month had a title shot against Dan Sandwich and was unsuccessful in gaining the title.
Now, it's going to get a little ugly in here.
Payton Graham against the immovable object, Bulldozer. Dozer with a lot of... Payton Graham is surprisingly standing his ground against Dozer. Nice jawbreaker. See Jack Pollock. Oh, Jack just gets caught by the big man.
Into the turnbuckle. Clothesline from hell by my man, Bulldozer. There you go, big man.
Bulldozer with that brutal clothesline. Bulldozer, he's pretty impressive in the ring, I will say that much.
Say that again.
I'm not going to repeat myself this time. Destin Vaine with a double axe handle. Apparently Chris Marx is filming this with his invisible camera that doesn't exist, and they say the Jester's crazy. Come on, ref. The ref needs to do his job here. The industry is clearly taking advantage.
The referee is doing his job. He's watching the whole entire match.
I don't think so. Just the 2 count there on Jack Pollock. Jack Pollock regaining control for the Fantastic Ones. Whipping Destin into the corner. Oh, a nice counter from Destin Vaine. Vaine up top and a beautiful European uppercut.
Very nice. For the cover, 2. Only a 2
I was
count
close.
that time.
I was very close there.
got to be it. That's got to be
That
it.
was a massive senton from Bulldozer. That would crush any man. A normal man would not have been able to kick out of that.
A normal man.
But the fantastic ones are fantastic. So
Now, this crowd is in this matchup.
this crowd is clearly not behind the industry.
Oh, I believe that they are.
I'm pretty sure this is a smart crowd, so they're not. Trust me. Pollock off the ropes trying to gain momentum, but those are just bulldozers in. That's all you can really say about that.
I'm going to go on record, and I'm going to say that Bulldozer is one of the best big men in the business today.
I've many times compared him to Vader in that sense, and it's almost like we're seeing Vader reincarnated, even though the guy's still alive. I see a lot of big man Vader in Bulldozer. Bulldozer can fly like a luchador, among everything else. He's just awesome. I hate to admit it.
I tell you what, I still can't get over 2 or 3 months ago when he dove over that ring.
That suicide dive on the Marshall Gambino was insane. We haven't seen Gambino since, and I don't even wonder why. I know why.
Yeah, I know why too.
Well, it looks like Destin declined the tag. Throwing Jack Pollock in that corner. And there we go with a tag in for the industry. Destin Vaine. Oh!
Very nice.
Shining wizard from Destin Vaine right there. Destin Vaine going for the pin.
That should have been a 3 count.
It was very close to being a 3 count, but Jack Pollock still has a bit left in the tank. Payton Graham is just waiting for that tag. He wants it. He can feel that tag coming. But the industry is doing a good job at keeping Jack Pollock at bay. That could be what the fantastic ones needed to be able to get the industry off their backs so they can make the tag there. Jack Pollock needs to make that tag to Payton Graham if he hopes to stay in this contest. If the fantastic ones have any shot of gaining the tag team championships here tonight, it's with this tag right here.
Come on, Destin Vaine. He needs to make the tag to Bulldozer. This is what needs to happen.
Looks like we're going to see Payton Graham's in and Dozer's in. It's going to be a meeting of the big men here. Payton Graham's taking some control here, but he's had the most rest right now. And he just knocks the big man out of the ring there. Destin Vaine in there. Oh! Nice double team maneuver from the fantastic one.
He's in good control of this matchup.
Destin Vaine kicked out of that one. I'm pretty surprised. I thought that was it. Pollock's got Destin Vaine up. Oh, and he knocks out the referee with that one. That's definitely gonna cost the fantastic ones. Because I have no doubt. Well, obviously Ronnie Starks is already getting involved here.
Now he just wanted to get a better look at the match.
That boot from Jack Pollock, that would be it. This is a 3 count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Destin Vaine is down and out. That would have been a 3 count right there. The crowd really wants Jack Pollock to. Marcus Mann
That's a 1, 2, and a 3.
And the industry steals another victory.
The industry wins another